Hi, my name is Jay, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access your premium call recording from US Tech. Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between. They can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. You will get an email with your login credentials, and you will go to voip.ustech.com. That's the URL for our portal, voip.ustech.com. Enter your login credentials. That'll bring you to this page here. And from here, you'll probably see a lot of orange bubbles with instructions on them, so you can click on those just to get a little overview of everything you can do on this portal. This is a unified communications, which means it brings all the telecommunications functionality all together in one. This screen mirrors your desk phone and your Cornexa mobile app. So you can make calls on this platform. You can dial an extension and hit send and it'll go out. You can dial a number, anything you want. You can check your voicemail. You can chat with other employees that are logged into the portal. You can do text messaging as well. Create and delete contacts. You can have video meetings. You can have video rooms as well. But today we're going to talk about call recording. So once you click into call recording, you're going to be able to listen to all your own recordings. I'm Extension 101, so these are all the recordings that I have received and I have made. So you can listen to all of them, last 7 days, last 14 days, go to last month, or you can do a custom. And from here you can just put in a specific date range that you want, and you can listen to them there. All you have to do is click on the call, click play, and if you have speakers on your computer or headphones on, you can listen to it.
Thank you for calling SkySwitch, formerly Cordal. Your call may...
If you want to download, you can download the recording as well and save it to your hard drive. That way you can access the recording at any time. Now again, this is how you access your own recordings from your own extension. And keep in mind, these recordings will be retained for 90 days in the portal. After 90 days, these recordings will one by one be deleted. Now let's say you're an admin or account owner and you want to listen to other people's recordings from other extensions. You're going to go up here and click on your initials or your profile picture, whichever you have up there. And you're going to click on Apps and then Automation Manager. That'll bring you to this US Tech screen here. From here, you'll click on Services up top here. Then you're going to scroll down almost to the bottom to Premium Call Recording. And this is where your admin can set up the call extensions that want to be recorded. You can just click on this toggle. If you can't do it, then have your US Tech technician do it for you. Go back to Premium Call Recording and click on File Access. And up here, you have a filter where you can click a specific date range. Let's say I'm going to go back to April 2nd to April 4th. And they'll automatically populate here in that date range. And let's take a look at these tabs up here. This is going to be the file name or file number. This is the local party. These are the extensions that are making the calls or receiving the calls within the office or within their seat or telephone. This could be mobile app, unified communications desktop app, or your desktop telephone. This is the remote party. These are the outside clients or people that you're going to be calling, or the customers that's going to be calling you. The caller IDs right here. the direction. This is going to be, tells you whether it's an inbound call or an outbound call. This is the date and time that the call took place, the file size, and the duration of the call. You can arrow forward for the next calls. And over here, if you click on these dots, you can click on 100 items or 500 items. Now, when you want to listen to the recording, you download it. So you push this little download button right here. And now it's downloaded to your hard drive so you can save it and listen to it at any time. Now, if you want to listen to it right now, just click on the file and it'll play.
It's a great day at Olympic Air. This is Stephanie. How can I make you smile today?
There we go. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.